Come on. I love it!
This is one princess secret.
Hey.
Just sit down. This is the way.
I think so. Open it carefully.
This one. Awesome. Don't count that. Don't count that.
Eight
pennies.
8 pennies
And
and
one
one
dime for good luck. So I want you to start saving up something very special, okay?
Okay. It's time for the last present.
What do you tell her?
Thank
Now
you.
you have to open it and see what else. Not like that. There's tape. Oh. You have to be careful, or else
Ray, do you like this jersey?
yeah.
If you don't, we can return it or.
I like it, Mom. I like it.
Okay, read what it says.
Dear Gray, happy birthday.
Read it louder.
Dear Gray, happy birthday. Ray, I remember when it was my birthday, but you probably don't want to hear it.
Signing off.
Signing off.
Signing off. Love, here's school. And then those are all the signatures. Here's mine. So, look at that.
So you had a whole bunch of people sign it?
Yep.
Oh, that was thoughtful, Joy.
We did
Cool.
one, Ray.
This was happy birthday.
What do you say, Gray?
Thank you!